we have this old trusty rice cooker here that is missing the knob on the on-off switch. So here's the on-off switch, and there should be a nice big knob at the end of this lever. So our next project is to make a knob for this switch. After cleaning decades of grease and grime off of this, we now have a clean lever. There is a screw that was used to hold the old knob. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not to hold the new one I'm going to make. Maybe I'll just use friction or glue it onto this lever. So we'll see. So now we're going to get some measurements and start designing a new knob for this. Got some basic measurements down of this little middle piece. Now I can start doing some modeling in Fusion 360. So this is the design I came up with. I have a slot to stick the metal lever in. And yeah, well, let's print it out and see how it works. So it took 47 minutes to print this piece. And it's a little bit bigger than I imagined it would, but let's go ahead and see if it fits on the rice cooker. So here's the first prototype. The base is a little bit too wide, and it's just it just looked too big on the rice cooker. So I went ahead and modified the file so that the base is not as wide and the height's a little shorter. So I'm going to go ahead, slice this one up, print it out, and see how it fits. So here's the second part. It took 39 minutes or 36 minutes to print, and here it is. Let's see how it fits. So I designed this part in Fusion 360, and it looks similar to what I guess the old part looked like, or at least close enough. And so let's print this out and see how it fits. So it took 33 minutes to print this part, and here it is. Like that. Let's go check it out, see how it fits. So I'm painting this knob black with black nail polish. I want the finish to be smooth and glossy, and I think nail polish just fits the bill. I tried looking for some enamel paint, but couldn't easily find it here in Taiwan. So we're going with black nail polish. I've already put on one coat, and now I'm going to put on the second one, and I might need a third one depending on how smooth this dries. So here's the finished knob after I painted it with black nail polish. So it has a nice shiny smooth finish. I may have overdid the nail polish, so it's not as smooth as I would have liked, but yep, now we've got a durable finish on it. Now we can glue it to the rice cooker. So here's the knob on the rice cooker. I used some epoxy resin to glue it on. So now it's on for good. These rice cookers last a lifetime, so I don't foresee any need to unscrew this and take this off, because this knob is not going to come off. So there you have it. New knob on an old rice cooker.